Hello students, let us see the concept of branch, node, loop and mesh. A branch is nothing but a single circuit element in a network is called as a branch. A branch represents a circuit element. Here we have taken one circuit which is having totally 5 elements. 5 elements includes your active elements and passive elements. Among these 5 elements, we have 3 are passive elements and 2 are active elements. Or V1, V2 are active elements, R1, R2, R3 are the passive elements. So this circuit is including totally 5 elements. We can say that number of branches are 5. So number of branches in this circuit is 5. Now let us see about node. A point in a network where 2 or more elements are connected are called as a node. Here we are having, this is your first node. At this node, at this point, 2 branches are connected. V1 and R1 are connected at this node 1. At node 2, 3 elements are connected. R1, R2, R3. At node 3, 2 elements are connected. R3 and V2. And we are having one more node, that is, this is your fourth node. Here V1, R2 and V2 are connected. So totally this circuit is having totally 4 nodes. This circuit is having totally 4 nodes. Till now we have seen about the branch and node. Now let us see about loop. Again we have taken one circuit. A loop, according to the definition of a loop, any closed path in a electrical circuit is called as a loop. So to identify a loop, let us make indication of nodes. This is second node, this is your third node, and this is your fourth node. This is your first loop. This is loop 1 and this is loop 2 and this is loop 3. This is loop 3. Totally this circuit is having totally 3 loops. 2 are the inner loops and 1 is outer loop. This loop 1 is starting from 1 and it is moving towards node 2 and again moving towards node 4 and it is reaching 1. This is node 1. This is loop 1. It is moving like 1, 2, 4 and 1. Next, the second loop. This is your second loop. Starting from 2, moving towards 3. And from 3, moving towards 4. From 4 moving towards 2. So the loop 2 is 2, 3, 4, 2. Next, the outer loop. Outer loop is starting from 1 towards 2. Next is including 3 and next 4 and the last one is 1. So a loop is nothing but the starting the starting and ending nodes are same. In the loop 1, the starting point is 1, ending node is 1. Starting node is 2, ending node is 2. And in the loop 3, the starting node is 1, ending node is 1. Hence this circuit includes totally 3 loops. The last we'll see about mesh. A mesh is nothing but it is also a closed path in a circuit which does not enclose any other closed path. Inside it is called as a mesh. So for understanding this mesh, let us again note down nodes. Third node, and this is your fourth node, and this is your loop 1, always in the clockwise direction. This is loop 2, and this is your loop 3. So totally how many loops we are having? 3 loops. Let us examine whether the loop 1 is a mesh or not. So what is the condition for a mesh? A loop is said to be a mesh which does not enclose any other closed path. So if you observe this first loop, it is starting from 1, 2, 4, 1, and it is not including any other closed path. So it is called as loop 1 is said to be a mesh. Loop 1 is a mesh. Loop 1 is a mesh. So we can say loop 1 is a mesh. Next, let us examine for loop 2. Loop 2 is starting from 2, 3, 4, 2. It does not include any other closed path. So loop 2 also a mesh. Loop 2 also a mesh. So till now we got 2 meshes. Let us examine for third loop. Third loop is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is reaching 1. But this third loop is including loop 1 and loop 2. This third loop is including loop 1 and loop 2. But according to the condition of mesh, it should not enclose any other closed path. If you consider this third loop, it is including first loop and it is including second loop. So the loop 3 is not a mesh. Loop 3 is not a mesh. Loop 3 is not a mesh. So in this circuit, how many loops are there? Totally 3 loops and 2 meshes. So from this we can conclude that all meshes are loops, but all loops are not meshes. Got my point? All meshes are loops. Mesh is nothing but it is also a closed path. Loop is also a closed path. But in the mesh we should follow one condition, that it should not include any other closed path. So all meshes becomes loops, but all loops are not meshes. Very important point this is. So with this we have completed concept of loop, mesh, node and branch. In the next class we will see voltage division and current division. Thank you.